Alright guys, I got extra mortar mix. We're spraying texture coat on our rocks, but we got extra. So these are rocks that came from the class we had in spring, the spring training. The burlap has already been installed. We've got a scratch coat right there. We got extra. So if you spray it on, we did a little bit with that one, it stabilized the burlap and stuff. You don't have to do that every time, but you definitely are doing a good job getting the rebar covered, which is what you want to do to protect it. We got extra material, you might as well use it. So this is a great way to stiffen up your burlap, and then when you put your scratch coat on coming next by hand, it probably would stick better, not be as wiggly. So we're going to be using up this stuff, this one little hopper load right now. When you spray it, you want to spray it at a very severe angle because this is coming out pretty fast. I'm going to slow the air down a little bit, and so that will not blow through the burlap quite as fast. Even some more. This is doing an excellent job covering up all the rebar, protecting it from rusting in the future. Less air, better in this. See if I can cut it down even more. How about that? There we go. Sit it on. Going around the rebar, the back here. Just like we did there. You can tell how thick it is when I bang it. It gets keeps coming on down. All right, we got a big chunk of our extra mortar mix out of here, and we've stabilized the burlap. That stuff cooks off, stiffens it up like we have in this rock from the spring training class, where did the same thing. We had extra, so we're just spraying on the burlap to stiffen it up a little bit. Now coming back and applying our scratch coat or structural coat, it's going to be really stable, and we know we got great protection for our rebar for rusting and stuff. Always important to pay attention to that. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. So